All right, YouTube. So I got a package in from Harlem Bling. I actually ordered this to because I got a birthday party, or I had a birthday party, but I didn't check the mail in time. So yeah, but it's my birthday actually today. So happy birthday to me. All right. So first things first, we got some GRA certificates for Moissanite. I don't really care about these because I know even if you order stuff off of AliExpress, they give you the same thing. So, or they try to mimic the same thing. So these are some QR codes. Um, yeah, I don't know if these are like discounts. Oh yeah, so there is a like discount thing. Um, Use Harlem 20 to save $20 on $100 or more. So, so first box. Uh, I think that so these are cleaning cloths, so I can open it. So these are cleaning cloths. Second box and third box. So I actually got these pendants. So he hasn't did discount codes in a while because I believe he is discontinuing these. I think this is also a sticker, but he did a video recently when he put the discount code through the video, like the letters were popping up. So I watched that goddamn video, rewatched it like 30 times to get that discount code because I had my eyes set on these pendants before. So yeah, I apologize if, first of all, you hear my dog slurping and eating. And then my table's a little dirty. I got to go to work very soon. So yeah, so this is the first pendant. This Jesus piece, sandblasted. I got the medium size. Do not touch that. Go away. Go away. Yeah, so I got the medium size. Because I actually have pendants I would like to wear this with, my Jacoji pendants. So, I guess initial review of it, uh, the diamonds are really beautiful on this. Yeah, and this sandblasted. And for me, I think with the sandblast, it looks like it's more detail in the face and the beard and hair. Like you can see the fine details. And then the back is flat. It's so I know he does have these like very solid. It's pretty light. This one is pretty light, but yeah, I'm actually glad it doesn't weigh that much in my opinion because let's say if you're working out or you're doing something vigorous and that pendant slaps your collarbone in the right angle, that shit hurts. So this is the first one I got. And for these, I don't really think I'm gonna be wearing them every day. So, cause I don't like the way pendants feel like every day, especially like ones that are like heavier than like a cross. Because I do wear a cross, but that's it. The next one, actually, actually I don't care. So this is the second one. It is a king of diamonds with the moissanite around. I first saw this and I knew I wanted it. I had my eyes set on it for a while, and I told myself I was gonna wait when he issued a discount code, and I'm glad I did snag it up. I would have regretted it if you know, let's say uh he really discontinued or these really sold out this piece. So I'm glad I got it before then. So I guess my initial review, like the sandblast look or finish, it's like buttery. It looked like peanut butter almost, very buttery looking. Not saying I don't like it. It's just different from the photos. That's why I'm glad. Like yeah, I'm glad I experimented with these two pieces to see if I would be, further purchasing the sandblast look. Uh, yeah, initial thought it is very buttery looking, like almost like you ever Had a 64 pack of crayons, and there's a gold and a silver crayon. It's almost like a gold wax. So yeah, that's the back. And then part of the bail here is diamonds. So yeah. And then last but not least, so this is the box. I don't know if y'all really care about the box, but it's like a felt material. Yeah, I don't really keep my boxes, so yeah. And then last thing, I knew I wanted this one too. When I first saw it, because these are not new. I think these are like pretty. They've been out for a while. There's actually 2 stickers on this one, but this dragon. So I actually really like this one. This gem actually right here is moissanite, actually. So yeah, and I love how shiny it is. So yeah, I guess I do have a preference to the shiny look than the sandblasted look, but I do like the sandblasted look for more detailed things because you can see the intricacies in it. Like, yeah, because if this was shiny, it's almost like a tattoo. You ever seen a super detailed tattoo? It just look like a blob until you see it up close. This is not like that. You can see the intricacies in this. But yeah, this is very shiny. It's not that heavy. It's very. Oh, I didn't even realize there's a gem in the eye, like a green eye. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, you can see the eye. It's just not zoomed in. But yeah, so very happy about these. Yeah, because I always, when I get bored, I look at his website all the time. And like I'm trying to find stuff like that are like low key or like I don't really like Jesus pieces like not this one, but you know like the official the Jesus piece like all the rappers wear. I don't really like those. They look weird to me. And then what else is like common like a lot of people wear. I'm just trying to find stuff that's uncommon. You know what I mean? Yeah. Uh, yeah. So Eddie, I do plan on tagging you in this video, but so something I would like to see from you, Eddie, would be more stuff like this that are low key but with diamonds. I know I looked through your catalog and a lot of your pendants are very flashy, like almost gaudy. Gaudy is like um, flashy, like almost distasteful. Like when I walk into Walmart, I don't want to wear like a fucking flooded out watch. You know what I mean? Or a fucking like stuff like this. I love when there's just hints of diamond to where I could like wear this with with some basketball shorts and like still won't look super flashy. So I guess like please consider adding more low key things into your as far as pendants go. Like I know you have chains like that are like solid, flooded, and like ultra flooded, but like more stuff like this with the hints of diamonds. I love that. You're the only jeweler that does it, especially with the 925 Vermeil. Um, yeah, so I will be continuing my business with you. Um, yeah, I just really, I really fucks with the idea of like the low key stuff with the hints of diamonds. You know what I mean? I love that shit. But thank y'all for watching my video. Apologize for my messy ass table. Again, happy birthday to me. I sound lonely as shit, but yeah. Bye.